Hey Primary 6 Math Prodigies, this is Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 8 of your assessment, no, 7 of your assessment paper number 13. Wow, that's too many questions already. Okay, so this question is an angles question, and it is pretty simple to me at least, because if you know the properties of triangles, you should be able to do this question very simply. Okay, so let's take a look at the question first. It is this. In the figure below, ABC is a triangle. Okay, so A, B, and C is a triangle. You saw that. Okay, X, Y, Z are points on a triangle such that AX is equals to AY. So as you can see, AX here is equals to AY over here. In other words, what? It is an isosceles triangle. So, and then it says that YB equals to ZB. So this is also an isosceles triangle. So question is, if AYZ equals to 104 degrees and XYB equals to 107, find ZCX, which is this part over here. So what I've done is I've taken out a picture of it over here, and voila, okay. And here's what you need to know, okay. Let's say if you are lost, okay, I can see it very obviously already, of course, but if you are lost, okay, you're like, oh, I don't know what to do, fill in the blanks which you already know. Fill in stuff that you know. So in which case, for example, I know that this angle over here is 104 and this is 107, correct? But how do I know? I want to know what is the one angle of this. In other words, what is this angle? And what is this angle? I don't know what these are, right? So this angle is the same as the one over here. Is it 107? No, it isn't. As you can see, 107 is from here to all the way to this side. I'm just going to draw a different color. From here to here is 107, but from here to here is, we don't know what it is. So how do we find out that? We find that out by looking at this. This is 104, which means 180 minus 104 will give me the one in blue. So I'm going to write it in blue here, and it will give me 76 degrees. So if this is 76 degrees, this is also 76 degrees because of the equal sign over here. So what is this angle? Can you find out? Very simply, we just take 76 times 2, which gives us the value of the two angles, 152. 180 minus 152 will give you the value of this angle, and in this case, this is 28 degrees. So next step is 180 minus 76 times 2, which gives you 28 degrees. So now we found out the angle on this side. Now, why do I want to find out this angle? Because angles in a triangle is equals to 180 degrees. So since they are looking for this angle, which also happens to be one angle of the three, if we find out two, we can find out the other one. So we are very close to finding out the answer already. But let's move on. Do we know what is this angle over here? We don't know as yet. But what we do know is this is 107. So to find out this angle, we just have to take 180 minus 107 degrees. And that will give me 73 degrees. So if this is 73, this is also 73 degrees. So to find out the angle here, we just take 180 minus 73 times 2, which equals to 146. So 180 minus 146 will give you 34 degrees. Am I right? Let's just check this. 73 times 2, 146. 180 minus 146, 34 degrees. I'm right. So here is 34 degrees. This is 28 degrees. To find out the angle XCZ, is simply equals to 180 minus 28 minus 34, because all angles in a triangle equals to 180 degrees. So 180 minus 28 minus 34 will give you, sorry, that's wrong. 180 minus 28 minus 34 will give you 118 degrees. And that is the final answer for this angles question. And if you got that one right, high five to you, because you are a math prodigy. Good job. Okay, so that brings me to the quote of the week, and the quote of the week is: emotions can be your greatest allies in life, or it can be an enemy to you if you use too much of it. Alright, with that, this is Coach Saiful signing off, saying you are a math prodigy. Good job.